Are you searching for a gender-specific diet meal plan? Are you tired of finding only keto meal plans for women? How about a keto diet meal plan for men? From a man to a man, wouldn't that be great? Hi, I'm Coach Keto, and I know how hard it can be for men on generic keto diet plans. Been there, done that. You see, there are fundamental physical differences between men and women. And at the risk of sounding sexist, I would argue that the difference in emotional makeup between men and women results in a need for different approaches to dieting. So I've come up with some steps and tips to help you design a keto diet meal plan specifically for you. Now, the daily recommendations for caloric intake for men and women are different. On average, men tend to be taller and possess more muscle than women, which is why the switch from burning carbs to burning fat for fuel may have more intense effects on men compared to women. So guys, we have to take it slow. This is no bodybuilding competition. It's a life-changing decision. Let's take it one step at a time. The first step is shopping. Don't panic. I'm not asking you to spend hours and hours in the store. I know a lot of guys aren't too hip on it. All I'm asking is an hour, out of your busy schedule to go to a nearby grocery store to stock up on some ketogenic staples that will save you twice the amount of time in the long run. Now here's the list of ketogenic staples you'll be using for your meal plan. Beef, such as ground chuck. Vegetables like spinach and other greens like broccoli, asparagus, cabbage, mushrooms, and bell pepper. Pork rinds, olive oil, salted butter, heavy cream, sour cream, and cream cheese. Chicken broth, because it's absolutely critical on this diet as a way to ensure that you're getting enough sodium, since keto may deplete your body's sodium storage. Now the next step is to sort your stock, especially veggies. Wash them, cut them, and store them well in good quality airtight containers. You can save a lot of time by pre-cooking your meat. Freeze it now and thaw it when needed. The idea is to have your staples available in ready-to-use state for quick and simple meals through the week. Coming to step 3, lay the menu. Here's a keto menu for 3 meals daily for 1 week, which makes it a total of 21 meals. It sounds like a lot of planning. Are you feeling overwhelmed with all the prep work? Don't be, because you'll find out it's worth it. This is how men who are successful on keto do it, so you're going in the right direction too. If you plan your weekly keto menu in advance, ideally on weekends, you'll stay motivated and achieve lasting weight loss. The menu should be in sync with your goals, current body weight, targeted weight, and food choices. So here are some meal options. For breakfast, make yourself some fried eggs with sauteed vegetables and bacon. Prepared with a tablespoon of butter, 2 fried eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, 3/4 cup of spinach, and a 1/2 cup of mushrooms. Another option is a no-egg breakfast, and that is some sausage, bell pepper, and pepper jack cheese. For lunch, go for a taco salad made with some ground beef, 2 cups sliced lettuce, 3 cherry tomatoes, cheddar cheese, avocado, and a 1/4 cup sour cream with taco seasoning. Another lunch option can be a BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato as a wrap. For this, you need some sliced lettuce, 6 pieces of bacon, some grilled chicken, 5 small cherry tomatoes, Monterey Jack cheese, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And for dinner, it can be a pork chop with mushroom sauce and steamed asparagus. Made with a pork chop, a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, 3/4 cup of white mushrooms, a tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, some minced garlic, a pinch of ground thyme, and a 1/2 cup of steamed asparagus. Another tempting keto dinner is baked salmon with loaded potato. It uses an Atlantic salmon fillet, steamed mashed cauliflower, butter, sour cream, bacon, scallions, and cheddar cheese. Now some snacks for in-between meals can be cubed cheese, nuts and seeds, pork rinds, veggies and dip, sugar-free jello, or jerky. Now, the fourth step is to stick to the menu with your willpower, determination, and grit. Remember, nothing good ever came easy. You have to earn it, so stick to your plan and you'll be amazed at the results you begin to feel. Keto will not only help you lose weight, it'll impact your overall well-being, making you feel better and happier about yourself. Now, step 5 is to fight the keto flu with keto-friendly supplements. You may experience some fogginess and discomfort in the initial few weeks of keto. It's known as the keto flu. Now, the primary reason for these symptoms is a lack of the 3 primary electrolytes: sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Now, if you're deficient in any of these, you'll suffer mentally and physically. And this is a common reason people fail on the keto diet, which is why we must fix it. For sodium, I recommend salting your food, eating salty snacks, and drinking chicken broth. And for potassium and magnesium, green leafy vegetables are a great source. But if you're still feeling lethargic, you may take some keto-friendly workout supplements to keep your energy high during your transformation period. It'll get better, I promise. Just give it a chance to work. Now, here are some important tips that'll help too. Stay hydrated. Practice intermittent fasting. Consume enough good salts. Don't eat too much protein. Exercise regularly. Choose carbs wisely. Use MCT oil, wherever possible. And sleep well. Now, if you like those tips, then you'll love what I have for you next. To make your journey with the keto diet easier, I've put together a special bundle. It starts with a 66-page book that's going to answer all your questions about keto. Is it safe? What are the side effects? What foods to eat? What foods not to eat? What are the rules? And if you want to know more about low carbs, included is a special report that answers 23 of the most frequently asked questions about the low carb lifestyle. And if you act now, I'll include a 100 low carb swaps cheat sheet and 148 low carbs food shopping list. And if you're like me and eat out a lot, I'll include an 11-page report with 33 tips to go low carb when eating out. And finally, if you're an athlete or into bodybuilding, I'll include a 13-page report on cyclical and targeted keto diets. As you can see, I've put together an impressive bundle that'll provide everything you need to get started. Normally, this bundle costs $97, but if you act right now, you can get the entire bundle for 100% absolutely free. That's right, you can get this incredible package of information that'll give you all the answers about the keto diet and the cheat sheets for getting started for free. But you have to act now because this offer is only available for a limited time. So go ahead and click the link in the description box below this video, or type the URL into the address bar of your favorite browser. And that URL is www.coachketo.net/bundle. Now, you'll be taken to a hidden web page where you can enter your details to get instant access, where again, you're going to receive a 66-page book that's going to answer all your questions about the keto diet. It's going to include the special reports answering 23 frequently asked questions about the low carb lifestyle, the 13-page report on cyclical and targeted keto diets for athletes and bodybuilders, and I'm going to include the bonuses with the cheat sheet and shopping list. So either go to www.coachketo.net/bundle, or just click the link in the description box below this video. But you got to act right now because it's free for only a limited time. Thanks again for watching, and remember, if you change your body, you change your life.